welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm so glad you are here. My name is Julie and I do a lot of cleaning and lifestyle videos on my channel. I have two boys. One of my boys is 8 and the other is 4, Jacob and Jason. We have 2 dogs, an Akita and a Pekingese. And on my channel I do a lot of, like I said, cleaning videos, lifestyle videos. So if you like that kind of content, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything that I put out. Today's video is a collab with my friend Betty Jean Rue. Her link to her channel is down in the description box. She does a lot of cleaning videos like I do, as well as beauty content. So if you like that kind of stuff, be sure to check her out after you've watched my video. So today's video is a whole house clean. I'm starting off in my kitchen because it was obviously the messiest part in my house, and I figured I would just get that out of the way first and then do the rest. This is my favorite part of cleaning, like y'all already know if you've been around for a little bit. Cleaning my sink, it just makes me just feel so accomplished. So I'm going to go ahead and get that done. I'm going in with the Mrs. Meyer's baking soda cleanser and a dish brush. For my microwave and my stovetop, I'm just going in with my microfiber cloth and my Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray in the scent Peony. So I just wanted to take this time to be a little transparent with you guys. We have been in this house for about 3 years, and before that we lived in houses that were not as nice. I wouldn't call our house the nicest thing in the world by any means, but you know, there was a time where we lived in you probably wouldn't want to see them on YouTube, you know, but that's just what we had to do because, you know, we're young and we have kids and this is real life, and you just go through times and, you know, you take what you can get. But even in those houses, I was so thankful that God provided us a place to live, that I feel like you just need to take care of what you have and be thankful for what you have. You may not be in the nicest house like all these other girls you see on YouTube in these fancy houses, you know, that's okay. Like, this is where God has put you right now. And so what I'm trying to say is, even if you think that your space is not worth cleaning up or taking care of, it is. And just be thankful that you do have a place, whether you're renting, whether you hate your house, you know, still try to get up each day and make the best of it in every situation.
My soul wanted healing, consolation. You and me were in the moment we've been waiting for. Come summer, winter, fall, or spring, no matter what the future brings, nothing's gonna hold us down, 'cause we are taking off the ground now. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky.
So from time to time, I like to go in with my Febreze fabric spray in the scent Shimmer. This is my favorite scent that the Febreze line carries. It just gives your fabrics and your pillows a good freshen up without having to throw them in the washing machine.
Now stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by, by and by. Stay with me, we're aiming for the sky. We're aiming for the sky. Anywhere, we'll get there by and by.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights.
So let me know who else jams out to music like me when you're cleaning.
When it's gray outside, it really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes, until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder.
So next I'm going into our master bathroom and pretty much just doing the same thing that I did in our guest bathroom. Our master bathroom is kind of small, so it's hard to film in here, but I tried to do the best I can, so sorry if it's a little bit off, but it is small in there.
Makes me wonder. I can't tell what's wrong or right. Should I go without saying goodbye? All I know is I need to be somewhere else to set me free. I don't know what to do now. Need to figure it out, but I don't know how. I hope the wind will carry me and take me away to where I should be.
Like I said, y'all, this is real life, and I'm not here to like hide stuff from y'all, so as you can see, I really need to trim around my master bathroom and my master bedroom baseboards. I just haven't finished it. I have some stains in my carpet cleaner broke. You know, I can't get those out, but we are planning on replacing our carpet. Hallelujah. But like I said, it's just real life. I'm not here to sugarcoat anything. I'm real just like you are.
Oh, I wonder if there's a place where the sun won't go away. Wide awake with an open mind, looking out.
I really hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Please be sure to go check out Betty's channel. And I hope you guys got some good cleaning motivation from this video. And I hope you have a happy new year. And I will see you in my next one. Bye, y'all.